Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog. Lot! Dito ka! Lot! Lot, binablog kita eh! Asan tayo? Asan tayo?
Hamilton Beach.
Hamilton Beach? Beach Park?
Yeah.
Oh. We're at Hamilton Beach Park. We're gonna show you over. Hindi ako makalakad guys, SKL.
Ah, bakit? Ba't di ka makalakad?
Kasi ako'y pilengkod.
Bakit? Bakit?
Dahil ako'y pilengkod. Aba. Kalago ng gatse. Maxi! Maxi!
Ba't hindi mo harap?
May papipring na naman kami.
Harap.
Ah, okay.
Padala mo sa akin yan ha. Tingnan ko nga.
Maxi!
Hi guys!
It's me! It's your boy! from
It's your boy!
Yo ba?
It's your girl! You're a beautiful girl! Tita! Say hi! We're here with Kuya. He's disabled right now. hindi niya pa mo sinasabi anong reason eh bakit disabled siya. Wag na daw sabihin bakit siya disabled. Pero so far,
Sabi nila, ano to?
it's a vlog takeover.
Vlog takeover ka mo.
Naka-live ba siya niyan?
Ba't ang ganda ko dito?
Patingin nga.
Tignan mo. Oh.
Wala akong nakikita.
Tanggalin mo kasi yung sandal.
Mas wala akong nakikita.
Guys, sa ngayon may mga newlywed dito sa likod namin. Hindi yung likod ko yung newlywed. Honeymoon phase po sila ngayon. Guys, my top is from Shein, less than $15. My swimsuit is from Shein, $10.
Pakita mo yung tura ni Tamar.
I'm a Shein model.
Babayaran
How about
ka ba ng
yours?
Shein?
What's your top? Oh,
top
your top is from Essential. Sabi mo, Besh.
From Essential.
Ha, oy, arte naman ni Beshi. Arte naman niya. Beshi, vlog tayo. Your top is from Essential.
Essential.
How much?
Oh.
Humble lang, humble.
What about your sunglasses?
What about your
From
son?
Prada.
Oh, that's from Prada daw. Oh.
Saan daw?
You're from Prada.
Prada?
How about your
Yeah.
shorts, your ankles? Guys,
Pagtripan daw yung
Kita akong outfit niya. Wapin, bala ko.
Kuya, bala ka. Dadaling ko to sa Europe. Magano kami.
O sige o.
Magvo-vlog kami.
Sige nga, ako na bahala mag-edit.
Guys, we're here in Hamilton, Switzerland. Guys, wala na ako ma-vlog. O, ikaw, tita, where's your top from?
All HM.
All HM.
My Crocs
Crocs.
and my
And your,
Gucci.
And your Gucci. How about you, kuya?
I got my pila.
Your fila from
My,
Costco.
my pila. Pila.
Your
And
fila.
I have my head short
Head.
from Costco.
too.
And
And this one is
from George.
Walmart.
from
Walmart.
Walmart.
Outfit total cost is $30.
Same. Guys, look at the view. Let me.
You're my best view.
You're my best view. See? There, it's pretty. Look. So nice.
And my Stanley Cup
And your Stanley Cup. Wow.
From Stanley.
from Stanley
From Stanley.
with
Oh,
bear.
ano mo na daw? I-test mo daw. I-ganon mo. Umuulog.
So my
No, look,
signature
sir.
bag.
Oh,
My signature bag from Metro.
It's Canadian. It's bag.
Bag.
Canadian bag.
I bought this from Metro only 99 cents.
Oh, nice. Wow.
And your chips.
And my chips is Doritos.
Doritos.
Sponsored by... Kanina yan, hindi kakain yung kurala.
Ako mataba.
Kaya ko tama.
Sponsored by Tito Pay and Tita Ange.
Wow,
Ngayaw ko kumataha.
Guys, look. There's a wedding. There's a lot of nothing. No, not a lot of people.
Nanggagawa mo sa...
Okay, guys.
Black Max. Max, what you doing? Maxi,
Ay. Dapat ba, marunong siya mag-ano, no?
Ano? Biasa na yung Pinay, ano?
Boy, Maxi.
Dami
Good
yung tanong.
boy. Good job. Yung mga tao po doon,
Lagi
hindi
namin
na
dalawang
natapos.
Lagi sana yun.
Ay. Hey.
Uy, ito oh.
Basahin mo, Ti.
Akala ko dati maraming pera mga tita.
Ngayon, tita na ako.
Hindi na ako natutuwa. True lalu. Beshi, ikaw lang natutuwa eh.
Ikaw nga.
Tara nga doa.
Nag-date nga yung dalawa. Char-char lang sila niya. Feeling ano siya.
Pop-pop girls.
Grabe naman oh. Grabe ang ano nila oh. Okay guys.
Okay, that's it. Come on.
Guys, goodbye.